If you're watching this video right now, I'm giving away 7 cars away for free to one of you guys. There are requirements to this, so if you're watching, just watch this whole video and everything will be explained here. I got 7 cars behind me. Every single one of these cars I'm giving away for free. Real quick, I'm just gonna explain about how and why I'm doing this. This is not a sponsored video. I'm literally doing this out of my own pocket, out of my own time. Behind me, I have 7 cars that we're giving away. This is a team effort between all of us here. I have SUVs, minivans, regular cars. How I acquired this is I recently won a car from someone. I got rid of it. So my thought process behind this whole thing is we are gonna use that money. I bought 7 cars with that and I'm gonna donate it to a family in need of a car. There are requirements for this, so please watch this whole video. So I have 7 cars here behind me. They're gonna be shipped to one of you guys for free, all 7. I'm giving away every single car here on the lot. So if you follow me on my Instagram and on my Facebook, there's requirements there and then one for YouTube. So YouTube, you guys, I know a lot of you guys don't have social media. So all you have to do is share this video, at least to someone that you know. And keep in mind, you can only enter if you have something going on. If you already have a car, if you already have money, if you're financially stable, this video is not for you. Just share this on to someone that actually needs help. You know, that's why we're doing this. All of us here at the shop are gonna pick every person for one of these cars. Everyone's gonna ask me how I'm gonna determine who that's gonna be. You guys are gonna have to leave a comment with your full, like basically what's going on in your life, right? Do not DM me, please don't message me. There's gonna be so many messages, so many comments to go through. So drop it in the comments, please, whether you're on Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube. So that's one of the requirements. You have to put your story on what's going on with you in the comment section. I guess sometimes it's embarrassing, but if you're in a financial situation where you need help, this is the only way that I'm gonna be able to filter through everyone is through the comments. Remind you, I have 7 cars here, so 7 people. I have to filter through everybody's comments. It's gonna be well over 1,000 comments, and I'm gonna go through every single one. Probably gonna leave it open for, I'll have a set date. I'll leave it in the description of start date and end date. So those of you guys that are watching this video from Instagram, you have to tag 5 people. Tag 5 people that you know, and then make sure that they can vouch for you somehow. Because I'm gonna go to every single person's page that I pick, make sure they are fit for one of these cars, that they meet the requirements that we're looking for. Everything's gonna be in the description below. If you're on Instagram, all you have to do is tag 5 people. You have to watch this full video, and then you have to obviously meet the requirements of what we put down. And that's pretty much it. There's not a sponsored video. Those of you guys watching on Facebook, same thing. Invite 3 people, write your story in the description, and then make sure you just watch this video. That's it. Share this video to one social media platform. Real quick, give you a quick rundown of the cars. I have a 2013 or 2014 Honda CR-V all-wheel drive. I have a Toyota Sienna, perfect for someone's family. 2014 Accord EXL, 2012 Acura TSX. I think that car is like 80K. I don't remember the mileage on everything. 07 Acura TSX, 07 Honda CR-V, and 2018 Toyota RAV4. Now, all these cars, I chose them because SUV, good for a family, minivan, good for a family, regular daily driver cars here, right? And I wanted to pick reliability. These cars are all reliable. Whoever wins these cars, you gotta remember, you're getting a Honda, Toyota, Acura, all reliable cars, all cheap cars to fix. I wanna wish you guys good luck. Please, if you guys have something going on and if you guys have money to buy a car, this video is not for you guys. Just share this video to someone that you know is in need. That's my biggest thing. If you guys really, please, I wanna give back to someone in actual need. Someone that, last car we gave away for free was a kid that had a person that had 3 kids. He was walking, taking the bus. Someone like that, you know, he couldn't afford to buy a car. And that's my main goal behind here, is to give someone that's in dire need of a car. If this doesn't fit you, please find someone that it fits and send them this video. That's all I ask of you guys. So good luck to all you guys. I wish I can give away a car to every single person that needs one, but today I'm giving away 7 great cars. Please share the video. Thank you guys. Just real quick, I'm just gonna go over the requirements one more time. This is not scripted. I'm just going off the top of my head. Please read the description. It'll have everything you need. If you're watching from YouTube, just drop in the comments your story. Also Instagram and Facebook, same thing. Drop it in the comments on the post that I made. And then please just share this video to one social media platform. If you're on my Instagram or my Facebook group page, please invite or tag 5 people. If you guys have something going on, just share it to someone that you know. That's all we ask for. I'm doing this for you guys, not a sponsorship video.
And also, he's not doing this for clout or anything like that. This is something genuine out of his heart that he's doing for you guys. And like you said, he wants to help somebody in need. So hopefully try to be like mindful of somebody that really needs it. If you, like he said, if you guys have it, be mindful because there's somebody else out there that really needs it. So if let somebody win that actually needs it. With that being said, hopefully this changes somebody's life. this is gonna put somebody forward a few years at least. Like some of these cars, some people might not be able to afford. So this will put somebody in a good spot, be able to go to work, take care of their kids, and so on. So hopefully this guy's changed you guys' life.
And please, and if this helps you out somewhere in the long term, if you end up being one of the winners of this, pay it forward, man. If you guys watching have something going on, pay it forward, please. There's a lot of people out there that need help.
Also, if anybody watching the video wants to help contribute, maybe you have an old car in your driveway or something that you want to give to somebody, you can call us and we can help give it away as well. So
how are we gonna, just one more time, how are we picking the winners? You guys helped me last time.
We're gonna try to filter through all the comments. I know there's gonna be a lot of comments, so it's gonna be really hard to try to choose somebody. Most of the time you can tell somebody that's genuinely in need. So we're gonna try to filter through the comments as best as possible. It's gonna be super hard between YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. We have a bunch of followers. So to pick 7 people out of, say, we have 30,000 people on YouTube, 90,000 on Instagram, 40,000 on Facebook. So it's gonna be really hard, like I said. And if you don't win and we don't choose you guys, don't be upset, man. There'll be plenty more later on in the future. We wish we could give everybody something, but you know, we're doing the best that we can.
Yeah, it's so hard. Even I had to store all these 7 cars. I got every single one of these cars detailed. Put 4 brand new tires on one of them. You know, we have to go through every single one just to make this one video. So please keep that in mind. I am donating every shipping cost to the winner. They're not paying $1 to their door. So me and my brother are covering shipping for every single one of these cars, whether they're local or not local. If one of you guys win that are in California, free shipping. If one of you guys win anywhere, it's gonna be free shipping on us. I'm just gonna go through the car one more time for you, and then I might have not went through the full description, but please read the description. It'll have everything you need to get entered. Those of you guys that are gonna ask about how we're gonna pick the winners, we choose them. First up here is a 2018 Toyota RAV4. All these cars here are automatic, none of them are standard. Great SUV. 07 Honda CR-V EX, 2007 Acura TSX, 2012 Acura TSX, 2014 Honda Accord EXL, and then a 2012 Toyota Sienna. Last up right here is I think it's 2013 or 2014 Honda CR-V. Check out the lineup, boys. I wish I can do this for you guys every single day. If you guys are followed to us, subscribe to us, you will see more of this in the future. This is gonna help so many families out. I appreciate you guys, everyone that watched. I just wanna say thank you guys, love you guys. I wouldn't be able to do this without none of you guys. I came from a family that was very poor. I grew up with nothing. I literally started from scratch, and money does not mean anything to me. Loyalty and seeing people happy means the most to me. This is where a lot of this comes from. I know what it's like to be poor. I know what it's like to not have anything. So this is why I do a lot of this. I really genuinely want to see someone that needs this to get these. So please keep that in mind.